This might sound wrong at first, but sometimes cleaning your house actually makes your air worse before it gets better. When you deep clean, you stir everything up. Dust, allergens, pet hair, all of it goes airborne. Even things you did not realize were there. On top of that, a lot of cleaning products release chemicals into the air while you're using them, especially sprays. Your HVAC system then pulls that air in and keeps circulating it through the house. So while things look cleaner, the air can feel heavier and more irritating for a bit. That is where your air filter comes in. Its job is to catch what cleaning kicks up. So if you're doing a big January reset and scrubbing everything, your filter is doing some serious heavy lifting in the background. A few easy ways to offset this. Change your air filter before or right after a deep clean. Open windows for even a few minutes if weather allows, just to give the air somewhere to go. And if you can, avoid spraying everything all at once. Work room by room instead of turning the whole house into a chemical cloud. It's not about being perfect or never cleaning. It's just about understanding how your home works and supporting it while you do. I'm Miranda with Simply Filters. If this video helped, subscribe so you don't miss the next one, and share it with someone who is deep cleaning right now. For more healthy home tips and giveaways, come hang out with us on TikTok and Instagram. See you there.